name is Francisco, and I'm going to present my title that it's Does marijuana make humans addicted or affect us? So let's start. My teammates, well, are Valeria, Maria Fernanda, and me. And well, the introduction to the marijuana. Marijuana or cannabis is defined by the Merriam-Webster as a psychoactive dry flower. It can come in many ways, such as liquids, such as cigarettes, but the main ways to consume it is as dried flowers, petals, or leaves. And this product is capable of concentrate high levels of THC, that means tetrahydrocannabinol, that is a substance that stimulates cells in the brain and releases dopamine, produces euphoria, and in some cases the substance may also interfere in the internal brain processes that are in charge of processing information. In the hypothalamus. That's why when some of the people get high with this, they lose the reason and lose the correct function of their body. So yeah, the cannabis has become one of the most demanded illicit since most of the countries. Its production, sale, and consumption is extremely prohibited. That's why, the best way to consume it is by narco traffic, or I don't know how to say it in Spanish, in English. So yeah, but there's also other ways that we can approach, that we can use in order to give a great use to the marijuana, because of course there are consequences and bad things, but there are also good things and pros. And one of those pros is the use of marijuana in the medicine. I'm going to read. It says marijuana is used in medicine to treat certain patients. In medicine, the medical marijuana is used to describe the use of unprocessed marijuana plant and its basic extracts to treat patients with specific symptoms, illness, or other conditions. Marijuana is very useful for people who have arthritis in their body, and also as Alzheimer and cancer. So yeah. Otherwise, the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, has not approved neither recognized the marijuana plant in medicine. However, there have been a lot of scientific studies which lead to the conclusion that certain chemicals of the marijuana, such as cannabinoids, really do help in the improvement of a specific patients. In the latest 20, the FDA approved medications that contain cannabinoids in a pill form. So yeah, there are good things for marijuana, but there's a phrase that I like to say it, talking about this, that it's everything in excess, it's bad. Everything. So yeah, cannabis is basically the genus plant. It means that its origin of any other kind of marijuana. There are certain kinds of plants, as well called hemps, which are reserved of cannabis uses only. These are the ones that have very small amounts of THC, meaning that this ingredient specifically will not get you high. Hemp is mainly used for industrial purposes, which is why it is used as create clothing, robes, etc. Hemp can grow up to 4 meters tall, much larger than marijuana plants could ever grow to be. Pot is an informal way to call cannabis. As we know, there are many ways to call cannabis. There are weed, pot, Mary Jane also. There is pot is an informal word to refer to cannabis, and the specific word pot comes from the Mexican word potiguaya, which means marijuana leaves. It is also the abbreviation to the word potación de guaya, which is a drink with alcohol that also contains marijuana leaves. There are many ways to call marijuana in other ways, like Mary Jane, and for example, slang. Yeah, that's what I just said. And well, the weed is the most common used word for this specific drug, but it's not meant to be used lightly. Seeing as the medical name for its cannabis and used in other words for its may use out of context in certain situations. It is used to refer to say drug as calling a marijuana cigarette. So yeah, that's it. Um, well, as I said, everything in Nexus is bad, and we can approach all the certain um, chemicals that a marijuana have in order to make medicines, and also like how to say it, to improve life, because yeah, as we know, marijuana can be used as recreative uses, but there's also many ways that you can use it in medical ways. So yeah, I mean, I think that that's it. So thank you for your attention. I hope I got my 100. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.